Welcome to PassportCard's Travel Insurance Product Update. I'm Michael Storozhev, Chief Underwriting Officer here at PassportCard. Let's start by looking at how our product coverage is improving. One thing we've learned through ongoing conversations with travellers and with you, our brokers and travel agents, is that Australians travel for all kinds of reasons. To chase adventure, attend major events, and be there for the meaningful moments. So our activities and events cover has evolved to give you the ability to tailor cover to exactly what your clients are doing. We've kept the core structure with some activities automatically covered, some excluded, and high-risk ones available as add-ons. But we've broken the add-ons out into clearer, more specific categories: snow sports, water sports, wheeled activities, and adventure activities. And based on your feedback, cover now also includes things like amateur competitions and time trials, which weren't covered before. We've also introduced a new optional benefit: concerts and other events. For example, for travel to a specific event like an interstate concert, to support the Aussies at the World Cup, or to attend a conference or wedding, this cover helps your client get there on time if they're delayed and recover costs if the event is cancelled. We know that when a flight is delayed, it's not just about compensation. It's about doing everything possible to avoid missing that once-in-a-lifetime moment, such as paying for your alternative, last-minute, and usually expensive flights. Talking about cancellation coverage, we've added new cancellation reasons to reflect real-life scenarios, such as if a passport is stolen and a replacement can't be issued in time, or as an optional benefit if a pet becomes seriously ill or passes away just before the trip. We know these kinds of things can completely derail travel plans. There's also an important update about non-travelling relatives. If a close relative becomes seriously ill or passes away before your trip, we now provide limited cancellation benefits of up to $2,000, even if they're over 85, have had a recent hospital stay, or diagnosed with a terminal illness. Previously, these situations were excluded. And of course, if none of these conditions apply, the full cancellation benefit continues to be available just like in our previous product. So to summarize, these changes to make activity cover clearer and more flexible, the new optional benefit for events, the new cancellation reasons, and our expanded cover for non-traveling relatives provides your clients with more flexibility, better options, and broader protection. Secondly, we're making some important changes to how we handle pre-existing medical conditions. Because at PassportCard, we've always believed that a health condition shouldn't be a barrier to getting travel insurance. We're proud of our medical underwriting process, where we often look for ways to say yes, not reasons to decline cover, often by connecting clients directly with our trained nurses. Now, based on your feedback, we're simplifying that process. We've removed the old list of automatically covered conditions and replacing it with 4 simple health questions. That means most clients will be able to purchase cover without being referred for medical underwriting. And for those with more complex medical histories, the option to speak with our nursing team remains, so we can understand the situation properly and underwrite the risk the right way, just as we always have. Finally, we are launching a new quote and buy journey to make buying travel insurance as simple, transparent, and stress-free as possible. Whether you are quoting yourself or sharing a referral link with your clients, we are confident you and your clients will find the new experience even easier to understand, trust what's covered, consider options, and choose the right cover with confidence. There's much more detail in the new PDS. So if you need more information, feel free to reach out to your BDM or our partner support team on 1300 123 414. And thank you again for your continued support. And we look forward to helping your customers protect the way they travel.